Alright, well, this could be the fall of Tesla. As of right now, the stock is down about 5%. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at what's going on with this company and answering that main question of should you buy it. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And guys, let's jump into it. Alright, so pretty much what's been going on is as of today was investor day for Tesla. Now, pretty much what that means is all of the big time investors or anybody that invests into Tesla, they kind of come together and Elon Musk, the CEO, kind of gives his plan for the future. And let me tell you, he was expecting to release this master plan, this big plan, and everybody was geeked about it. The stock actually roared up before this because there was so much anticipation, so much hype for what he was going to say. And let me tell you, it was more of a review of all the previous success rather than giving expectations on new products, on new vehicles, and new services for the future. He fell short on that, and obviously with that being said, investors were disappointed, causing a lot of people that were excited to sell their stock. And not to mention, Elon Musk talked about a whole bunch of other things that were bigger than Tesla, bigger than Earth, and all of this other stuff. He talked about the electrical grid, he talked about shipping, he talked about air travel, and he was stating that if you're investing in a Tesla, you're not just investing into a company, you're investing into Earth. And I completely understand where he's coming from. He's really on this track for sustainable energy and pushing ourselves to get better and better and better. But it comes at a cost. I always think Elon Musk is really smart, but if you have your hands in too many pots, it's going to get hard to grow Tesla. Tesla, the electric car manufacturer. Yes, I'm sure he could create other companies, that does air travel or shipping or virtually any other thing because he's such a smart guy. But when you start stating that Tesla is going to be that company, it's discouraging for investors because when you invest into Tesla, you're investing into Elon Musk and Tesla, into the electric car company. And I understand that he could grow it inside Tesla. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying there's a lot of people that invest into Tesla for the electric cars. But on the more positive note, he did release a new production method that could actually cut the production by 50%. He pretty much explained it by assembling, half the car, the front half, and then the back half, in different times. He said it could cut production. I think that would be awesome if it can cut production by 50%. Realistically, that's such a far-stretched thing to say. I'd be surprised if we see that in this quarter or this year, but it's good. All right, not to mention the year-to-date return for Tesla is up over 80%, right? So a lot of people kind of have two mindsets right now with Tesla. One, they think, all right, it's already up 80%. I'm not going to touch it. I kind of missed the move. Or two, you have people that are saying, oh my God, it's up 80%. This thing's going to go to 100 or 200%. So I kind of fall somewhere in the middle where, yes, I understand Tesla carries a ton of potential. I've been investing in it for years now. I think there's a ton of opportunity where Tesla can make a lot of money, but on the flip side, it's a risky growth stock. The company, is very volatile. It goes up and down at very rapid rates, and I would rather have shares than not have shares. So I think the best strategy for most people or even beginners is to dollar cost average, so invest weekly into Tesla. It's a great way to reduce your volatility because you don't worry about the volatility, the up and down, because you just invest consistently and you just hope for an overall long-term growth. Not to mention, keep it under 5% of your portfolio. And I know 5% doesn't seem like much, but the reason why is one, you always can invest more down the road. Two, if you go too heavy, and let's just say you go 50% or 70% of your total account size into Tesla, and Tesla gets tanked down, you've lost and your portfolio is very volatile. It's way too risky. I'd recommend keep it under 5%. You don't want to, keep all of your eggs in one basket. You want to be very diversified. I think that's the best approach for people. But that's kind of what's going on with Tesla. We had Investor Day. There's a lot of mixed emotions with that. I'm actually kind of excited for it. And that's that, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care, everyone.